If there is an air leak or powder residue on the powder chamber bracket, or if the unit no longer detects the powder chamber caps and seals must be changed. As a precaution, replace the seals and caps every 3 months. To do this, use the replacement kit and a probe. The instructions are on the kit label. Start by turning off your unit before removing the powder chamber. When removing it, take care to remove the powder chamber vertically, without tilting it, and without rotating it. Remove powder residues under the powder chamber and on its bracket with compressed air. Remove the cap and wipe the surface again. Then remove the seal to be replaced with the probe and clean again. Place the new seal on the fitting tool. Now slide the second part of the fitting tool while engaging it only at 60%. Apply the fitting tool on the connector and press the trigger. On releasing the trigger, the seal is in place. Clean again before placing a new cap. Then repeat the same process for the other seal and cap. Clean the surface a last time with compressed air before replacing the powder chamber. The powder chamber must be perfectly positioned. Pressurize the powder chamber and check that there is neither an air nor a powder leak. If there is a leak, repeat the procedure with a new kit. If the fault persists, change the powder chamber.